In this video, we will go over the settings that are configurable within MxAsset, which is A3J Group's mobile application for equipment operations for IBM Maximo. We look at the settings. The hours since last reading indicates 24 hours in which a reading will show that green bar that we saw. And then the app also implements paging, so the records to show indicates how many assets to pull at a time, and the default is 20. We also have an About button. This About button will just show you the URL that you're logged into, the version of the app, as well as the version of Maximo that you're on, which user you're logged into, and your default or organization and insert site. Thanks for watching this video on A3J Group's MxAsset from the MX Mobile suite of apps. For more information, you can go to our website at a3jgroup.com or connect with us on LinkedIn or Twitter. For inquiries, email info@a3jgroup.com or give us a call at 877-235-4774.